What's up, guys? So we've been getting a lot of requests as to do a tutorial, a how-to tutorial on how to use Roblox Studio's newest team collaboration and how to enable it. So perhaps you and your friend can start creating games together, or perhaps you maybe hired a developer and now you need to add them to your game. So let's jump straight into it and see exactly how we can use it. Right. So the first step, you want to open your base plate, or if it's one of your games that you want to add the player to. So we're just going to create a normal base plate. So while we wait for that to open, keep in mind that if you are still on the older version of Roblox Studio, just make sure to update it, as your site could be different compared to mine, right? Okay. So while we're in the studio now, our blank base plate, you should see on the top right hand side there'd be a little bell icon, and then you've got your collaborate section. You want to click that. Now if your game is not saved or published yet to Roblox and it's still new, you're going to need to save it to Roblox. Okay, so let's save it to Roblox. Your name can be anything, that's your game name. Now at the bottom here you'll see team create. Yours will automatically be enabled, but if it's not, just make sure to enable it, right? I'm gonna click save. Now when we click save, it's gonna close your studio's base plate and it will reopen it again. Right, let's wait for that to take effect. Okay, so now that we're in and it's reopened, what we want to do now is look at the same place at the top right. You're going to see your character that you're currently active on your studio. It will have a little red outline on it. If you see that, then you know it's worked. Okay, if not, just drop a comment below and I can see if I can help you out with it. But now moving on to stage 2 is now actually adding the person to your studio, right? So on the right hand side of your character, you're gonna see a little profile icon with a plus next to it. We want to click that. So here it says manage collaborators. Now you can add a user or multiple users or groups. Okay. Now keep in mind, this will not work if you are not friends with that person. Okay, if you're trying to add a random person to your studio and they're not a Roblox friend of yours, they're not going to be able to edit it. They'll only be able to play it, right? So if we do this, right, search my old account. So if we go with this account here, you can see here it says user must be a connection to edit, right? So there they say we need to be friends to be able to edit each other's games, right? Now, when you do team create, this does not mean you're giving them access to all the games that you have on your studio. It's only related to this specific base plate, okay? So when you have them as a friend, you're going to have play, and when you drop down on this drop down tab, you'll have edit. You want to make sure you click edit and you click save. Once you've clicked save, that person will then be able to enter your studio and make changes and all of that, right? So as mentioned, if you are struggling with this, just leave a comment below and I can see if I can assist you with it. And if not, just rewatch the tutorial again and see if you've maybe missed something, or if you maybe are using an outdated Roblox Studio. Until we see each other again, guys, hope this worked for you and hope this was an easy to follow how-to guide. And then I'll see you in the next one.